What's going on with y'all? Today we will be installing the Fram Fresh Breeze cabin air filter inside of a 2013 Lexus ES 350. Only can assume that if you have a 2013 Lexus ES 350 or newer, this process should be the same. So the first thing I want to mention about this air filter is that on the side of it, it's very hard to see, but it do have the indicators letting you know the airflow. Now if yours do not have this, because there are some versions of this cabin air filter that do not have the airflow direction, the easy way you can tell is the white part is where you wanted to start, the dark gray part is where you wanted to end. So the dark gray part is the final portion of the airflow. So let's say if your airflow goes from top to bottom, you want the dark gray part to be at the bottom. If for your vehicle it goes bottom to up, you want your airflow to be like that, the dark gray part up. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the installation process. But first we need to take out the old one. So you go inside of your glove box. You want to pull this cover off right here. Inside of there is where your cabin air filter is at. What you want to do is disengage both sides. Pull that cover off. And let's see what we got up in here. And yep, it needed to be changed. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. So much dust and dirt and shit falling out of it as I'm holding it up, matter of fact. Yeah. And as you can see, this the way it was in. So we're gonna put our new one in with the arrows facing down. Is there any dirt or debris up in there? Nope. So we got our new air filter. We got our airflow arrows pointing down. Let's go ahead and insert that inside of there. So we got that up in there, nice and good. We got our airflow arrows pointing down. Let's go ahead and install this back on here. Let's go ahead and put our cover back on. Now to put this cover back on, let me pause the video because I gotta use two hands. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install and replace your cabin air filter on a 2013 or newer Lexus ES 350. Y'all be blessed, be safe, and I'm out.